My name is Aaron Leslie and I studied a foundation degree in product design. Cardiff and Vale College offered smaller class sizes for a start. I was really happy with the teaching that I received already as an alumni student. And it was right on my doorstep as well. And so I just felt it was comfortable to stay at home and study a course that was perfect for me, really. The teaching was amazing to start with. I just felt very supported. There was always that one-to-one tutoring that I really needed throughout the first 2 years of the foundation degree when I didn't really have much confidence. The facilities at the college were excellent as well. Every year we had new technology and new equipment that we could explore. And so I felt my skills were really developing through that too. I was more comfortable being in a smaller class. My confidence wasn't really that great when I was at level 3, and it was quite daunting to think about going to university, thinking about being in a class of 40, 50 or 60. And so I wasn't really ready at that time. So the smaller class size of 6 for the first 2 years of the foundation degree was amazing for me. As I mentioned, the one-to-one tutoring really helped as well, to have that one-to-one time with my tutor, to sit down for a good half an hour and talk through my work. I wouldn't have got that if I went to universities. I think exploring the different mediums of product design was really important for me. Every year we were having new equipment to play with. So one year we were playing with 3D printers, the next year we were playing with CNC machines. And so being prepared for industry was key to the course. And so having the opportunity to play with that equipment for the first 2 years, I think was the highlight for me. After I finished the CAVC, I wanted to teach. That was kind of an ambition of mine. And so I went off to do a PGCE and I did my placement here, and every day I was here I was just encouraged by the staff, especially my old lecturers, and they were supporting me to achieve my goal, which was to become a lecturer, which is what I do today. At the moment I've just started lecturing this year, which is really exciting. I love my job and I love working with all different types of students, and especially on different courses. And I'm getting to work with my old lecturers again, which is really exciting, to develop new ideas for teaching sessions and courses and things like that. And so I'm really happy to do that for the next few years and see where that takes me.